In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the destination of a QR code in Unicode and what you need to know to make this process quick and easy. If you've been struggling with changing a URL or another destination links to your QR code, stick around because I've got some valuable tips coming up. And stay tuned to the end because I'll share an exclusive offer for this tool and reveal some alternatives that may even work better for your needs. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do when you want to change the destination of a QR code in Unicode is to open the software and log into your account. Once you're in, find the QR code you want to edit. Unicode's dashboard is simple, but if you're new to it, navigating around might take a minute. Don't worry, this part is easy. Next thing, select the QR code you want to edit, and you'll see an option to modify the link. This is where you can change the destination. If you initially created the QR code with a URL, you can replace it with a new one, and that's it. Unicode will automatically update the code's target. The third thing to keep in mind is that Unicode also offers dynamic QR codes, which allow you to make these changes without generating a new QR code each time. If you're working with printed materials, this can be a game changer, saving you the hassle of reprinting. However, be aware that while this feature sounds great, it's not as customizable as some other platforms, especially if you're looking for more detailed analytics or advanced settings. The fourth thing to understand is that you can track the performance of your QR codes in Unicode, though the tracking options are a bit limited compared to other QR code management tools. It's a great start for beginners, but if you need more robust insights, there are better options out there. Now, here's the key. While Unicode is straightforward, it doesn't stand out in terms of features compared to competitors like QR Code Generator or QR Code Monkey, which offer more advanced analytics and design options. For instance, QR Code Monkey gives you more flexibility with designs and offers detailed tracking features that might be more suited to businesses or marketers who need more control. And this brings me to the most important point. If you're looking for a platform with more robust features and an overall smoother experience for changing QR code destinations, including advanced tracking and analytics, I'd recommend checking out alternatives like Competitor Name, which offers all these features and more. But here's the good part. Through our link in the description, you'll get exclusive access to a free trial of Unicode, plus an extended trial with benefits only available to our viewers. But that's not all. I've included links to the best alternatives as well, so you can make an informed choice based on your specific needs. Whether you stick with Unicode or explore something else, you'll have access to all the tools you need. So if you're ready to take control of your QR codes, change the destination easily, and try out some powerful alternatives, check the description below for the best offers available. That's it for today's quick guide. Don't forget to check the links below to start your free trials and find the best option for your QR code management needs.